Good morning to our friends. This is lesson 4 in the week of March 30th. I just want to say nice job, boys and girls, for the hard work that you did last week, sorting your words ending in shun, T-I-O-N, and S-I-O-N. And today we are going to continue practicing shun, the suffix shun, T-I-O-N, and S-I-O-N. I'm going to flip my screen here. All right. So I'm up in the corner still. Let's take a look. Here is our learning target for today. Students will be able to read, spell, and define words ending with the suffixes shun, which is T-I-O-N, and S-I-O-N. T-I-O-N and S-I-O-N, the suffix means the act of or result of a verb. So for example, subtraction means the act of subtracting. We're going to go through, I'm going to show you some different words. I want you to read the word, and I want you to think. You're going to put a finger on your nose when you have the answer. What does it mean? Okay. So subtraction, for example, you're going to say subtraction. Then you're going to put your finger on your nose when you know it means the act of subtracting. Okay, here we go. First word, explanation. Great job. It means the act of, you got it, the act of explaining. Contribution. The act of, you got it, contributing. Consideration. Nice job. I see everyone has their finger on their nose. The act of considering. Expression. The act of, say it out loud, the act of expressing. Good job, boys and girls. Comprehension is the act of, you got it, comprehending. Profession, the act of professing. Discussion, the act of, good job, I see all your fingers on your nose, the act of discussing. Examination is the act of examining. You got it, boys and girls. Wow, you guys are really, really good at suffixes. Suffixes will help us read new words when we're reading to our books, and it will help us understand what we're reading or comprehending. Comprehension is really important when we're reading to our books. What I need you to do right now, I need you to have your notebook. You're going to open up to a new page. Please make sure you date it. Today is March 30th, 2020. And you are going to number your paper 1 through 8, just like my paper is numbered. I'm going to read you this sentence. You're going to fill in the blank with the word that best fits, okay? So what I would do, we're going to go through these words and what do they mean? And then this is going to be your task for today. So let's go to the bottom. Let's see. All right. There we go. That black little line is gone. So the first word at the bottom, I'm going to put my arrow on it. Celebration means the act of celebrating. Explosion, the act of exploding. Conclusion, the act of concluding. Discussion, the act of discussing. There we go. Subtraction, the act of subtracting. Direction, the act of directing. Education, the act of educating. Protection, the act of protecting. Your job today is you're going to fill in each one of these sentences with the correct word. Let's do number 1 together. We go to school to get an, does anyone have a guess? Raise your hand. Go ahead. You got it. Education. We go to school to get an education. So on your paper, you're going to write number 1. Okay. I'm going to show you an example. The top of your paper, you're going to have the date. Please write, this is lesson 4. You're going to have your number paper, or your paper numbered 1 through 8. Number 1, the answer is education. Okay, so your paper is going to look like this, right inside your notebook. 1 through 8. Okay, so pause the video here, and then you're going to complete numbers 1 through 8. For tomorrow, which is Tuesday, March 31st, you are then going to complete this letter. So again, you're going to need to pause your screen, and you're going to complete this letter with all of these words at the bottom, okay? So which word best fits the sentence? So I want you to read through. Okay? And just like when we're reading and we don't know how to say a word, we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to pause where the line is, and then we're going to keep going, and we're going to go back, and we're going to see which word makes the most sense. So this is your assignment for Tuesday. So let me show you what I mean. Let's do the first sentence together. Dear Miss Sebastian, I am sorry to inform you that we have a blank causing quite a bit of trouble in the neighborhood. Let's go back and see. Our words are description, situation, discussion, investigation, attention, supervision, question, station. Which word makes the most sense in this sentence? I am sorry, I'm going to go back and reread it. I am sorry to inform you that we have a blank causing quite a bit of trouble in the neighborhood. What do you think is the best answer? Which makes sense? Description? Let's try it. I am sorry to inform you that we have a description causing quite a bit of trouble in the neighborhood. That does not sound right. The act of describing. We have a description causing quite a bit of trouble. That doesn't make sense. Let's try the next word. Let's fill it in our blank. I am sorry to inform you that we have a situation causing quite a bit of trouble in the neighborhood. Does that sound right? That sounds right. I am sorry to inform you that we have a situation causing quite a bit of trouble in the neighborhood. It seems an animal fitting the blank of your cat has been found helping herself to the garbage in your neighbor's trash cans. So now you're going to go back. We've already used situation, so now which word makes the most sense? Think about what each word means. Does it sound right? Does it look right in each one of these blanks? So you will now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more numbers on your paper. Okay, so now you're going to have 2 sets of 1 through 8. Today's assignment, tomorrow's assignment. Okay, so we're using words ending in T-I-O-N and S-I-O-N to solve these letters. Okay, so again, let's go back. T-I-O-N and S-I-O-N means what? You've got it. The act of or result of a verb. Okay. So I will see you back here Wednesday, and I hope that you all turn in your work. Please make sure that you are taking a picture and you're sending it to your teacher so she can see all of the great work that you are doing. Boys and girls, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.